Hello, Ulster University has multiple scholarships to offer, and if MSc Biotechnology research is your top choice, then let me help you with the available scholarship options for Indian and international students for the upcoming intake. The International Postgraduate Scholarship of £2,000 is offered to new international and non-EU entrants who have enrolled for pursuing a full-time postgraduate degree at the Northern Ireland campus of Ulster University. This £2,000 scholarship is applied as a discount to your tuition fees. If you wish to apply for the scholarship, please find the scholarship deadline for the upcoming intake and other details in the text description below. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from Ulster University, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.